Let's make oxtail.
Jamaican style.
This is basically the tail of a cow.
Correct.
And you guys eat this in Jamaica?
Yep. Normally they cut it in half and then cut them into little slices.
A little flour.
Girl, are you still washing your meat?
Of course I still wash my meat. You gotta wash before you cook, okay? We sprinkle some garlic powder, adobo, black pepper, seasoning salt, the browning, gravy browning liquid. And for some reason, my kids don't love oxtail, except for one, but everybody else loves the oxtail.
Every single one of our meals, there's either onion, scallion, and thyme.
So like this is your version of the Trinity. For us, it's ginger, turmeric, and garlic.
That are the cornerstone, you know?
Yeah.
We allow this to marinate at least for an hour, a little bit of oil in the pot. And then once we add the oxtail, it will just kind of like brown it up. Submerge it in water. This will stay on the stove for at least about 45 minutes to an hour. Lets the meat get really soft and tender. More green onions, lima beans, and browning, and then we're all done. And this is the finished product. The way that oxtail come about from slavery time. So these are the parts that the slave master would discard, and then we would take it to make dishes that has turned into oxtail.
Oh, so tender. It kind of reminds me of feet.
Cow feet and stuff, right?
But it's more meaty. There's a bit of gelatinous in it.
Right. And it has that same kind of stickiness.
Yes.
To it.
Yeah.
Whenever oxtail came out, you know, it was an occasion. We have a tradition in Jamaica called, you know, Sunday dinner. They go all out. Oxtail, rice and peas,